Welcome to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel. Today we're exploring the fascinating role of artificial intelligence in our everyday lives. From virtual assistants to recommendation systems and autonomous vehicles, AI is transforming how we live and interact with the world. We'll explain how these technologies work and their impact on society. The goal is to inform you about the pervasive presence of AI in daily activities and highlight its potential benefits and challenges. Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI applications are increasingly integrated into various aspects of our lives, often in ways we might not even realize. One of the most common AI applications is virtual assistants like Apple's Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon's Alexa. These assistants use natural language processing to understand and respond to voice commands. When you ask your virtual assistant to set a reminder, play music, or answer a question, it processes your request, searches for relevant information, and provides a response, all within seconds. These tools make daily tasks easier and more efficient. Another prevalent use of AI is in recommendation systems. These systems are used by platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon to suggest content or products based on your past behavior and preferences. For example, when you watch a movie on Netflix, the recommendation system analyzes your viewing history and compares it with other users to suggest similar movies or shows you might enjoy. This personalized approach enhances user experience by providing tailored suggestions. Autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars are another groundbreaking AI application. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are developing cars that use AI to navigate roads, recognize obstacles, and make real-time decisions without human intervention. These vehicles rely on sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms to process vast amounts of data, ensuring safe and efficient driving. The potential benefits of autonomous vehicles include reduced traffic accidents, improved fuel efficiency, and increased mobility for those unable to drive. AI's impact on society is profound and multifaceted. On one hand, AI technologies offer numerous benefits. They can improve efficiency, enhance user experiences, and open up new possibilities in fields like healthcare, finance, and education. For instance, AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images more accurately and quickly than human doctors, leading to earlier detection and treatment of diseases. However, the rise of AI also presents challenges. One major concern is job displacement, as AI and automation can potentially replace certain types of work, leading to unemployment and economic inequality. There are also ethical considerations, such as AI systems are transparent, fair, and unbiased. Privacy is another significant issue, as AI systems often require access to vast amounts of personal data to function effectively. Despite these challenges, the potential of AI to positively impact our lives is immense. By fostering a balanced approach that considers both the benefits and the challenges, we can harness AI to create a better, more efficient, and equitable society. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role in our everyday lives. From virtual assistants and recommendation systems to autonomous vehicles, AI is transforming how we live and interact with the world. Understanding these technologies and their impact can help us navigate the future and make informed decisions about their use. Thank you for watching Knowledge Truth YouTube channel. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay curious about the incredible advancements in AI and their potential to shape our future.